Jaguar F-PACE 2022. This is the SVR edition. We'll go for a tutorial on how to change password, service mode, and how it operates on the Jags. So if we start the vehicle up, as you will see, there'll be no power to our selector down here. If we try to drive the vehicle, it will not change any pattern or password. So we're going to input our demonstration password. So it is 4 times on our front passenger window. We get 2 flashes at the very top of our dashboard. So as you will see, we got our 2 flashes. That now allows us to drive, as we have power now to our center of the gearbox. If we switch the system off, we're going to show you how to change your password. So to change the password, we're going to have no feet on the pedals. We're just going to press the start button so the dash lights come on. We're then going to enter our original password for the vehicle. We now get 2 flashes on the top of the dashboard. We can now hold in your headlights and we're going to enter the old password again. So I'll do that here and then I'll come back to you. Once you've entered your password, we're going to keep holding for a few seconds. And now once we release, we should have the light flashing at the very top of the dash. There you go. That allows us to change the password. Obviously, to change the password, we are going to change it directly to the same password again. So you can change your password, use any other button that you may wish, but for demonstration, we're going to change it to the same one. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to get 3 flashes, at the very top of the dash. We do the same one again. We're now going to get 2 flashes. That will confirm it is correct, or 4 flashes confirms it is wrong. So if we switch the system off now, that will be now your new password has been saved. So if we start the vehicle, we try out that new password. We get our 2 flashes on the top of the dash. And as you will see, we now get the power in the section of our dashboard and the gearbox. So for servicing mode, we must simply just do our front passenger window up 5 times. So the password is entered, the vehicle is on, and it's ready to drive and operational. Once you're at your destination, 5 times up on the front passenger window. That now allows us to go into service mode, and it will flash 5 times to let you know you are in service mode. If we switch the system off, we can simply start the vehicle again, and you'll remain in service mode, so we can drive it at any given point. The system will be active and ready to drive. To take it back out of service mode, you simply restart the engine. Once you're collecting your vehicle, we enter our password. You're going to get 2 flashes to acknowledge it has been correct, and that has now brought the Ghost back into action again. And that's how it works on the Ghost 2's Pros on the Jaguar F-PACE SVRs.